guys, today we're doing a World's Strongest Engine Challenge. Here are the contestants. Anyways, let the show begin. First up, it's Thomas versus Nia. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys. Oh. And Thomas wins. So Thomas goes to the next round as Nia gets put in the losers pile. So, yeah, Thomas goes off to the next round. Next up, we have Percy versus Toby. Alright. 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, guys. Oh. And it's Percy for the win. Percy goes on to the next round as Toby gets put in the losers pile. Next up, it's Emily versus Henry. Alright. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, Emily is fighting back. Emily's fighting back. Henry is struggling. Oh. Guys, this is insane. Guys, like, I don't know who's gonna win here. Oh. It might be Emily. Guys, who's gonna win this? Oh, guys, Emily. It looks like Emily might win this. Alright, come on, Emily. Come on. Oh, something's happening, and Emily wins. Emily moves on to the next round. Henry gets put in the losers pile. Next up, it's James versus another Thomas. Alright, ready, set, go. And they're off. Oh. I'm just gonna say James wins this one. Yeah, I guess James wins, so I'll put him in the winner's pile. And this Thomas will go in the loser's pile. Next up, it's Rainbow Thomas versus Shiny Percy. Alright. Ready, set, go. And they're off. And Rainbow Thomas is clearly winning. Oh! What the? Okay. Alright, rematch in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Guys. Rainbow Thomas. Oh. Alright, guys, I'm just gonna say Rainbow Thomas wins. So, yeah, Rainbow Thomas wins, I guess. And, that Percy gets put in the loser's pile. Alright, it's on to the next round. Thomas versus Percy. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Guys. And it's Thomas for the win. Thomas goes on to the next round. Percy, however, loser's pile. And now, it's Emily versus James. Alright, guys. Ready, set, go. And they're off. Oh. Oh. James wins. James, winner's pile. Emily, loser's pile. Now, whoever wins this one will compete against James. Alright. Thomas versus Rainbow Thomas. 3, 2, 1, go. And they're off. Oh. Yep, guys. It's no competition. Normal Thomas wins. Rainbow Thomas is a loser. And now, for the final games, or the final round, Thomas versus James. Alright, guys. Ready? Go. Alright, and go, go, go. Oh, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. And Thomas wins. This Thomas right here won the whole World's Strongest Engine competition today. And, well, that was it. That was the World's Strongest Engine competition. And Thomas won. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you later.